So good morning students. Today we will execute a study project using microcontroller Keel and also a Proteus. The project name is the continuously blinking of the LED. We are going to blink the continuous LED which is connected to the port P1.0. Okay. So first we will execute. We have two softwares we are using here. One is Keel and the other one is Proteus. First we'll execute with the Keel. We'll double click on the Keel and we have already here. So we'll project, close project, new microvision project, and we'll give the name of the project, that is LED project. Save. We are going to use the target file as atmel in that 8952. Select OK, yes. Then file, new. This is a text editor wherein you have to type down the program. So I'll copy the program. So next, file, save as project.c. So save the program, target, add files, project.c, add, close, run the program, no errors. Again we have to follow some procedures. The target, right click, target options, select the crystal frequency as microcontroller crystal frequency 11.0592 megahertz, click on chip ROM, OK, and once again add, click output, create an hex file, OK. Again you have to save and run. Here you can see that creating hex file from LED project, no errors are found. This is all about project for blinking of the LED. This part is done in the Keel, wherein we have to write down the project and generate a hex file. Next we will minimize the project. Next we will open with the Proteus. Proteus is a software. This is the ISIS schematic. We will execute that. We will open, double click. Proteus design suite which is used for the PCB designs. No. So here we are going to execute a project using the microcontroller. The components used in the project are, this is a project which is used. Okay, this is my project. So here we are using 8051 microcontroller, resistors and capacitors and crystal frequency. So resistors used are, R1 is 10 kilo ohm, you can zoom out, and R2 is 470, and LED, two capacitors of 33 picofarad and crystal frequency of 11.0592 megahertz, and C3 is 1 microfarad. So this is a ready project where I'll show, and later I'll show how to design that project. So this is a project where I'll run the project, where this is the LED which will glow continuously. So this is a project which is glowing of LED continuously. So once, if you want, you can pause the project and end the project. So next we'll show you how to design this circuit. So we'll go for file and show you how to design the circuit by using the components required. So the components required will take up. So file, new design. So I'll give the new design. So this is a new design. So I'll go for the device selector and P. So first I need 8952 microcontroller. So here I have selected 8952. This is how it looks in your Proteus window, and this is how it looks in the PCB preview. Okay. Okay. Next we need capacitors. So again we'll go here and we go for capacitors. I'll go for the ceramic disc. First I need a 33 picofarad capacitors. So I'll select OK. Next again I want the capacitor, electric capacitor of 1 microfarad. So here you can choose the capacitor, electric micro, if it is having with 1 microfarad, it's not there. So you can go for ceramic disc capacitor of 1 microfarad only. Nano. Animated you can choose. Audio grade. The capacitor of a value of 1 microfarad is required. So you have 1 microfarad. This is a 1 microfarad capacitor. This is how it looks in the Proteus window, and this is the PCB print. Next you want the crystal oscillator. So crystal, you write a crystal. So this is a quartz crystal. This is how it looks. Okay. Next we need LED. So select LED. Type LED. And here you have a number of LED. We have chosen BP LED. Okay. Next, lastly, we need a resistor. So resistors. So you need power. You can choose. I want 10 kilo ohm resistor. I have, and this is how it looks. And next, I want 470 resistor. These are the components which I used. Okay, these are the components used. So we'll check, we'll take up one by one. Sorry.